Good evening, friends. I'm Dinesh. Today I'm gonna explain one tool in software project management. Uh, the tool name is Proof of tool. This Proof of tool is a package with all features your team need to plan, collaborate, and organize and deliver projects on time. It will help you when you are doing a project like projects. Proof of is a easy tool to it can give all features to your team, how to plan, how to collaborate with your team members, how to organize all, and how to deliver on time projects. It will give more it helps your team to work together the easiest and fastest and the smartest way with all the right tools put under one roof. Yeah, in proof of tool we can learn something like in this tool they are it will help you more like easy way to give some tools like yeah, when you're doing projects you have a lot of tools, a lot of work, how to plan, how to design your projects, everything in this proof hub. It will easily it's give you more easy way to find out that way, how to do this plan everything. It's give fastest and you will do more fast this project. So with this online project management tool, there is no more. Uh, this kind of tool you don't find out here. It will more help to you. Proof of table. This gonna I'm explain some more, not much, but I will explain this proof of tool. Proof of this is a Versalite project management tool used by leading organizer like they are using like NASA, Disney, Taco Bell, and many more. Not only this, proof of tool can you can use in gamings like some gamings more in apps. It will be easy way to use because everyone choose proof of tool. It is very easy to understand what we are using this. It will help your project more and easiest way to do all things in this proof of tool. This is all in one tool. Like I said before, this is one all in one tool which comes packed with powerful features to estimate the need of having too many different tools to run your business. You have to benefit of using multi-purpose tool is that you can have everything under one roof. Uh, like I said before only, if you do project everything, it's what do project want. It's all doing proof of tool because it is easiest way to use and perfect one to do projects. Mm, Consolidation data helps you keep ahead of schedule and manage time better. It provides connectivity through team, discussion charts and transparency through the uploading files, putting up on information you can regarding. You all know when we are doing projects, we need to meet with, we need to collaborate with the team members. If they are sending some message in mails, WhatsApp is very difficult to find out all. When we are using proof of table charts, online charts, it's very easy to transaction your messages or whatever your mails, your what data. It will easily helpful for you proof of. And interesting enough, proof of helps declarator in more than one way, from Gantt charts to Kanban boards, and from those confusing mails to neat and clean calendar view. Proof of comes through with providing our clean view and task deadlines to goals simultaneously in many ways. I can explain same what I am explaining mails or what are you sending. This proof of table helps tool helps to find easily. It will help you more. In futures, I would like to highlight not only this in In this PPT last also I added some. You can watch full video. You can know that. Like task. You can task create sub. If you create a task, in that we have a lot of subtasks. In that also we can create subtask labels with the tags, colorful tabs. We can use colorful tabs. You would sort a task in their respective task list, and with the whole view of the project, we can see in task. Customer role means makes task management less stressful for our team by making it easy to set customer roles of the team members and assigning the two tasks and projects. Like what I'm saying is, when we are doing projects, we have different. We have 4 members in a team because we need to plan which member what to do, what he can to assign, like what he want to do task in project. Uh, it will help. Customer role will help in project management. Proof of will give first only your task, what are your role. It is easy to find and what we need to do. In, this will help. And proofing and review. Online proofing software saves a lot of time during feedback sharing process. You know that, like Gantt charts. Like Gantt charts means get a visual project of picture of project with Gantt charts, define dependence and maps out of project time with ease. Accessibility. ProofHub is available as a mobile app as well, both for Android and iOS users. Like flexibility, help your team do their individual task corresponding to their deadline in a Kanban or a calendar views. It will help you the more flexible help your team and individual tasks corresponding to their deadlines and Kanban or calendar views. Yeah, ProofHub is a amazing project management and a tool, online collaboration tool, because it will help you create review, how do you review, deliver plan, and organize like no other tool. With comprehensive bells and whistles, it comes forward and very adaptable tool for project management. Yeah, not only does it helps with project management, but it also comes with numerous features. It helps the stay and connectivity. In communication features is are also following you proof of a definite edge over the project management tools, whatever we are giving. Like ProofHub, we can discuss chart discussion, comments, proofing in ProofHub also. Just in chart, we can back and forth communication on the same platform where you manage the things and you communicate about whatever doing, communicate about projects, whatever we are doing will help. And discussion even through the tool, we can tool come with the facility of charts and group charts. Like sometimes team members need to have formal discussion. Every team, whenever doing project, definitely we need a formal discussion. But this tool will help you in that. It creates charts and group meetings, everything discussion all about sharing ideas, putting opinions forward, and every team member can easily participate in this same. Like comments, like on these days, texting, calling or planning someone check updates information that you reviewed their work with comments. You can post your reviews on the task card itself, and notification will be instantly received by the consider. Like it will help. And proofing, like ProofHub has more distinct outlook, caters to the workplaces in a way that no other tool can help. In, with markup tool annotation, it is a powerful proofing tool. They help with all types. What is powerful proofing tool? Review files, it gives review files, prove them, collaboration on them, and approving them right where you are using one online proofing software. It's give more. And like I said, highlights assigned user roles. And ProofHub enables customize the role. You may want to assign the role add in your contract. You can provide them different access level of each section of ProofHub. There are predefined roles in ProofHub, and they are owner, admin, normal user. These three can predefined roles in ProofHub. Yeah, when you are using user roles. and online team discussion and charts. Like I said, ProofHub provides chart and team discussions, everything in ProofHub only. Software that brings all projects communication together at one place is a ProofHub team communication. It's a perfect place for everyone conversation and brings sanity in the way you team communicate within an office or with clients. It will help easily to use and everything. Highlights I share is one to one on one chart to bring clarity in office conversation. Group chat that works together, collaboration and that get things done. Create discussion to brainstorm, discuss topic with a remote member. Like mention team members in loops whenever you want. Task deleting and assignments. Like task management made easier with ProofHub. Task management software for who insist on managing tasks and achieving goal easier, smarter and easier and faster. Like create task at one place, creating task at place or assign task at multiple people at one place, break tasking into smaller and manageable subtasks. Add labels at starts due to days, set time estimation, time spent, create a recurring task, attached files, one place using one task manager. What I am discussing task skin before also I am discussed in this PPT. Reporting and tracking projects. This one very important. Project status are reported. Project status are reporting on project health. It's a progress, issue, and risk involved in it. It packs information on the project schedule, costs, cost-wise, scope-wise, and more. Project information details of a project name, what is we are given, project name, project manager, and the project report details we need to give before, because this way manager knows you are the one submitting the report on which date, relatively decided project communication completion date, and like author name, date, like a project summary, at a glance brief view, project at hand, due date. We need to check due date, task, or whatever they given task. We need to check cost, how much cost is you spend in that project, on that project. Project metrics, like decide the section all members based information, like we can take all members what they do, how much cost is spent, how much scope you are there do in that project, like time means we have completed in time or not. You need to check issue risks. Talk about the obstacle you are encountered with, step you to deal with them, risk and resolution, everything you give. This what I am done with the ProofHub tool. That's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for thank you. Thank you.